Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Drawing for Kids. Today we will try to draw neighborhood places, right? You know, in our neighborhood there are hospitals, schools, temple, post office, bank, etc. Let's try today to draw some of the buildings of this, right? First, I will draw a school using just rectangle. These are the windows. I will use little bit different set for the windows, and this is a main gate of the school. Now draw a plant near the school. Draw the background greeneries. These are the clouds. Today I will draw the clouds little bit in a different way. This is a simple house to stay. In this picture, I will not draw post office, but I can add a post box, right? Now I will draw a small temple which you can easily see in your neighborhood. Our drawing is almost complete. Now I will add few details just like car, mans, etc. Hope you are able to make this easy drawing. So now we will color this simple picture. Before starting the colors, I will give the borders with the black sketch pen. You should be very careful doing this border. It should be very neat and clean, right? Today, I will not give any outline for the clouds. I will color it directly. It looks better. Now I will give outline to the background greenery. Don't confuse it with the clouds. Erase all the pencil marks. I have chosen these colors from the 50 color set box of camels. First, I will color the sky with 3 shades of blue. Use darker shade first and then the lighter one and the last most light one, right? Mix all three shades with the help of paper napkins. Always use darker shade of green to color the background greenery. It looks the greenery are very far away from us. Use lighter shades at the top to pacify the new leaves of the greeneries. I will draw the remaining sky part now. I have kept few white parts in the sky. Those are the clouds. We don't need to color it. Color the trees in a small circular motion. It's time to color the school and I will use the bright yellow color for this. Use different color of your choice to color the windows and the gates. I prefer to color the road of the cities with grey shades and black. I will color the temple right now. I am trying to show this temple is very old. That's why I am not using any bright color, right? And I am using darker shade to make it very old. Now I will color the background fields with different shades of yellow and brown. Now I will color the house. You can choose any color of your choice. This is a post box, so I will color it with bright red. Our drawing is almost complete. This drawing is look very nice, is not it? Hope you people enjoy the drawing.